Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Flavorful.com. Today, I'm whipping up something super delicious and oh so easy. It's Mexican fried rice. It's a little fiesta in a bowl, and trust me, your taste buds will be throwing a party once you try this. Here's are the ingredients. Let's get cooking start. Take rice and add it in a bowl. Soak the rice in water and keep it aside. Now take tomatoes and blanch the tomatoes in hot water. Once the tomatoes are blanched, let it cool. Peel the skin. Grind the tomatoes into a puree along with chili powder, to a wide pan, add oil and butter. Once the butter melts, add chopped garlic and onions. Once the onion turns transparent, add salt, pepper, cumin powder and mix it. Now add the washed rice and mix it without breaking the rice. Toast the rice for about 2 minutes on medium flame. Now add green capsicum, red capsicum, yellow capsicum, carrots, peas, and mix gently. Add the ground tomato puree and mix everything. Add oregano and sauté the rice. Finally add water, cover the pot, reduce the flame, and let it cook for 20 minutes. And there you have it, Mexican fried rice that's quick, colorful, and full of flavor. If you try this recipe, don't forget to comment below and let me know how yours turns out. Please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tasty recipes.